Hinduja and a big warm welcome. Hello to all the parents, guardians, well-wishers of the little ones who are always there to take safety of their little ones. So I'm here sharing a very amazing, well-researched and a very good quality product with you here today. So as you all know, a lot of times we as parents believe that when we are driving a car, when the driver is driving the car, either the father or the mother, the child needs to be safe all the time. And that is what we have been following. 1.5 years old. He's quite a tall baby, so it has become pretty difficult for him to settle in a car seat. Reason being, the person who is sitting ahead of him kind of finds it very uncomfortable because he's so tall, and while he's sitting on his car seat, most of the times he's unable to keep his legs, and that ends up in kicking the seat, which is not a very comfortable sight for both of them, for Ayaan and for me. So we have found, and we were always on a hunt for a very good car booster seat for Ayaan, and we finally came across this brand from Babyhug. This is a car booster seat for children from 4 to 8 years of old. When they are sitting in a car seat, they outgrow it, but because they are such good explorers, when you make them sit on a regular seat, they really don't enjoy it because they are not able to see the view. And also for safety standards, it kind of gives them a height to it, and they are comfortable and they are able to look outside and they are engaged in whatever they are doing. So this is a car seat from the brand called Babyhug. This is available on first cry, and what I love about this is that it is so sleek. It's black in color. I love the way the whole seat looks like. It's very nice, sleek, very classy for your cars. And the good part about this is that it's very lightweight. I don't see it's very heavy. It's very lightweight. It's approximately like 1 kilo or something. I think less than 1 kilo. So this is how it looks. And one more thing that I really like about this car seat is that it is washable. So with children, it's always there that, you know, when they are eating a snack or when they are drinking something, there's always a chance of spillage. Also, over a period of time, we do like washing our interiors of the cars as well. So this is a removable car seat, washable car seat. So all you have to do is just turn it around and it comes out like a cover. So this is how it completely comes out, and after you're done washing, it can either be hand washed or you can wash it in the machine, whatever suits you. So this comes out completely and you can have it washed. Now one more thing that I am really impressed by the fact is that it's very comfortable. The seat that Ayaan will sit on here is cushioned. It's not hard surfaced. It's very well cushioned for him to settle down, and not that his bum is, you know, in pain. So now where are you going to find this car seat? This is available on First Cry. It's normally priced at 1645 rupees, but they are now running 32% off. So that comes up to 1180 rupees. So this is a good deal. Now secondly, it has two colors. One is a sleek black and the other one is a combination of a red and black. When you visit the website, you will see that there are two colors available, and the delivery was real quick. It didn't take them a longer time. Also, what I like about this is that it's not only to be used in the car, but I have also used for Ayaan while he was eating dinner, because it had just arrived and he was very keen on trying on this. So we kind of made him sit on the dining chair, and this was kind of, you know, giving him a height to where he was sitting for lunch with us. So this is what it is, and I'm going to be showing you the installation. So let's go ahead and see how to install this and take Ayaan's point of view. This is what I'm keeping behind where I'm going to sit, so when I'm driving the car I can see him. So okay, Ayaan, go. Just make the little one sit.
So this much I can see.
You can see that much?
I got this much. I like this.
Then you just take the strap around him and you just have to
pluck it.
Okay, that's been clipped. He's safe because this is under the handle. Okay, are you comfortable, Ayaan? And now we've put the strap on top of him. Oh, can you give me a picture now?
And it's for the first time I'm doing this sitting kite.
Are you liking it?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll have to put this around you, baby. Okay. So that you're safe. So as you saw, the installation was real quick, real easy, and you also had Ayaan's point of view. And this is a very good deal. I have searched 2-3 different websites and I kind of didn't like the quality. I was not happy with the color, or there was some or the other, or the pattern I kind of didn't like it. But this is exactly what I wanted, a pure black color, completely lightweight and easy to move and easy to be able to shift in the cars, and not that it's heavy. Thank you so much for watching. I am happy to be able to share this Babyhug car booster seat for children. If you have any queries in terms with any content that I have posted on my YouTube channel, which is Ekta Hinduja, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much once again. Take care, stay safe. And I know a lot of us have started traveling, so let's start with safety.